Hi traders, and welcome to FX Market Strategy. So we are gonna continue with our weekly forecast. First, the VSA market scanner. You guys can download this from our website. It has some fees into it. Also, we have the trend analyzer, which gets all these pairs, and you can check the moving average in all these ones. You can check RSI, stock, MACD, ADX. So it gives a very fast screen to the market what's going on. So basically, you would know the monthly, the euro dollar trend in the moving average is up, but everything else is down. So you guys, you can see the euro dollar right here in the weekly, down, daily, 4 hour, everything is down. So basically everybody's almost short in the euro dollar. Okay, and you can see here 93% euro dollar. The dollar index did as expected, so we were right here. We said this area can be retested. Exactly what happened, and the price start going up really nice. Okay, so what's next? So basically this can shoot up and continue up as we didn't reach all the way up here first, but pay attention to something. Every time the price will get too far away from our trading system, Advanced Profit Cloud Oil APCO trading system, you can see this. So basically that's overbought. Okay, so see the same scenario happen here, oversold. Okay, so basically when you get too far away in the 4 hour time frame like this is probably a good place to exit and take profit and be happy with it. That doesn't mean it cannot continue. This is possible, but I can't see this as the first choice. My favorite choice is we get a correction to the 50 level, a retracement right here, all the way down to here. So 92.85 or so. Okay, so basically around 30-40 pips. Then from here, then we can see the dollar index to continue. So basically what they're gonna do, they're gonna try to get everybody to go sell the dollar index. So basically they will drop it down, and possibly what happened is the first candle will be a strong down candle, so everybody can get to the sell, and they just leave you on the sell, get a small correction, then the market will shoot up. You are still stuck in this sell trade, hoping the market will go up. Okay, I can see this scenario happen. So basically we are gonna start waiting, skip possibly Monday, start Tuesday in New York session. After the price will drop here, then we're gonna take longer position from this area going up here. Okay guys, so this is the plan to continue. We're still bullish in the MACD, okay, but that's overbought in a smaller time frame. So basically what I want to see here, one candle, 2 bars down, okay, so about 8 hours or 4 bars down, which is 1 day. And then after this we'll start seeing green again. So basically you'll jump in with the new green bars right here after the correction discussed. Then after this we can see this after it comes down a little bit like this, right here, then we will go up like this. So basically that's an area you get out because possibly a bigger correction would be right there. Euro dollar, we got the target and extra, so congratulations guys. You can see this from the last week. We've got all the way here and a little bit extra also. And we said the MACD is very bearish in the euro dollar. We have posted a full video in YouTube regarding the dollar index and the Fed's against inflation and all that stuff. So we mentioned this euro dollar should go back where it belongs, really down 1.12 or something. So possibly the euro dollar is gonna drop 500 pips, guys, in the coming 3 months or so. So we're gonna take only short positions in the euro dollar. Okay, can this continue all the way down here? Yeah, it can be. No one gonna say it can't happen, but see here, after you get this, you need a correction. After you get this, you need a correction. So basically there is 2 options. We can drop here, so if you're in sell position you can just hold it. But the second option, and I would like this one, we get an up move first, okay, an up move here, okay, to this level or that level. Then after this, something exactly looks like this. You guys, what happened here? Exactly something like this. It went back to the 50% level, so we want to go to the 61 only, and from there we want to drop right there. Okay, then you take your profit down here. Don't wait all the way here. I think it's gonna go down and below it and break it, but no, you don't have to wait. Just from there you can take your profit. Okay, pound dollar, I think we got the target exactly, and we have made a video also explaining the stop loss hunting technique, and we said to sell from here, and you can see it dropped exactly to the weekly forecast area. We have said this is bearish, right guys, this is going down, so I don't know what else we can say. It's perfect. Okay, this is really nice. So what's next? This sometimes you can see in the pound it dropped too much. Okay, see, this is too far away from the APCO trading system, see this too far away, okay? And you can see this is supported by very strong bearish movement in the momentum in the MACD. So basically what could happen here, we can see first a move to the upside, exactly like the euro dollar, either to here or even actually here, okay? And from there, we're gonna go short it again, okay guys? So from there, we're gonna go sell it again, okay? So don't take any long positions, wait, let it cool off, let the market unfold, and just wait a correction. And when you say coming down after a correction, something like this, we can just sell it again, okay? USDCAD, I think we are very clear. We have made a live video, I've posted in TradingView, and we said this is going to shoot up very fast, okay? I think this is going to go above 1.3, guys, okay? So we still have about 230 pips to the upside, but it doesn't have to go all the way up at once, right? The market doesn't go this way. How the market makers are going to take your money if they're going to move the market in one direction, okay? So basically what can we say, just a small pullback here to the 50% level, and then from here we can go to the upside in two waves like this, okay? But only we are very, very bullish in the USDCAD. Don't sell it at all, don't take any correction sell, just focus on the long positions in the USDCAD. Australian USD, we were bearish and that was really nice. We've got the target area right there. It's stuck at the middle right here. You guys, you can see the MACD momentum, strong momentum is building. The Australian currency gets really weak when the stock market starts falling, when the equity market in a correction mode, as we can see the German 30, which is going to be very soon a German 40, and the Dow Jones both start to fall and equity start having a correction. And we discussed about this quarter end. We need to get some correction into the market, and that's good. That's good. If you know how to get benefit from this volatility, you end up making money, right? So basically from here, this can continue to drop. This is okay to drop, okay? No need to go up, okay? But also there's a potential we can get 2-3 candles here first, then we'll drop after this. But we only want to be in a sell positions. We don't want to take any longer positions. You can see the major trend here is down and the major minor trend is down, and the sell position was given at that certain time. So basically want only to focus in the sell positions. The APCO trading system will give you the major trend and the minor trend. So if there's a correction, you will know, and it gives you if it's a buy or a sell, and the enter price, it gives you the stop loss, and also you can control the stop loss right here. You can increase it or decrease it as you wish. Okay. And this will increase the levels right here in the screen with you. If you focus in this area right here, you can see this. You can see this is going to go up. If I click right there, see it moves to the upside. If you want to increase your stop loss, okay? Okay. So Euro Australian, we are bullish. Start to build the momentum a little bit and just coming down a little bit. I think we're still gonna continue to the upside, okay? The Australian was not too weak. Also, the euro was falling against a stronger dollar, and the equity market didn't fall as hard. So basically, we're still looking for the upside. Move to here in this level, okay guys? I don't think that's a correction and it's gonna drop unless the stock market is gonna have a correction. So if the Dow Jones will shoot up again next week as a correction first, what could happen here? We can see this is coming down right there first, then after this will go up. But anyway, we are still bullish in this one. We didn't change the view, right? And also in the MACD here, we still build into the upside. Okay, still weak momentum, but I think that's gonna continue to the upside just like this, okay? EURJPY yen, we got the target and extra, so basically perfect right here, and actually twice we get this one here, and it did go back up here and give you another opportunity. See guys, what happened when you get too far away from the indicator right here, from the trading system, from the APCO, you get back, okay? You get back because that was oversold. You just come very close to it and just go again, okay? So we said we're gonna only be bearish in the EURJPY yen. I think we are going to have a small correction here. This correction, it depends on how hard the equity market is going to fall next week and the dollar index. But first, I wouldn't recommend to sell here at all, okay? If the market will go back up here, or actually will be better to go here from this area, and from here you can short it, that will be really nice. I think we're going to go down to 128 very soon. Canadian Japanese yen, we got the target twice right here and right there, so that was really nice. pound Japanese yen. It didn't reach the target, but we were bearish. We discussed this rise in wage, and we said in the rise in wage basically have a very weak trend, and this every time will break to the downside with strong momentum. And he just there try to get you to the buy side here, right here, so you get stuck in it, and there is no significant high. So this is not really an uptrend; it's just a correction away from the previous fall in here. So you have to determine which one is correction and which one is a reversal. Okay, and this will be shown in a significant high or just a high. Okay, so a lot of people when they teach about this, they will tell you uptrend is making a higher high. Basically, no, it's making a significant higher high. Okay. This is very, very important to differentiate between a trend and rise in wage. Okay. Australian Japanese yen, we were bearish. That was really nice. See, guys, the momentum is very clear right here. So we start selling from here. That was really nice all this way. So this was one target, and that's the reach the second one. So basically, what we'd expect is just a small correction to the upside and drop again right here. Okay. So still bearish in this one. EURNZD was still bullish to the upside. Pound New Zealand, we are still also to the upside. Gold, we said gold is negative last week. It did go up a little bit first right here. See, so they get everybody in the buy side first, say stop loss hunting, and they get you on the bull trap. So it's whoever was in the sell right here, they will our stop loss for the system was still up here. So they had our stop loss. The system was good. And that's also for our time frame. So when you get to trade, you will trade only half hour or 1 hour. Okay. So basically, what they do here, they get everybody to be in the buy. Okay. Once you are in the buy, it's a bull trap. If you are in the sell, you get scared and you actually hit your stop loss, because basically your stop loss will be right above here, right? You will not put your stop loss very far here, right? So basically, it's a stop loss hunter, and at the same time, it's a bull trap. That's how the market works. Okay. So basically, what's next? I think you can take a buy position here as a small lot. Take this wave here to this and watch what happened here. Okay, from this level. If we get another bearish move right here, we can go with it. Gold is very risky, so basically, avoid gold if your account is small. Better to avoid gold, guys. Okay. The US oil, we are expecting a big fall, and that's what happened today. We have bought a live video to sell US oil and buy USDCAD. Both of them were really nice. I've got over 150 points here. It did bounce back up, but we think this is going to continue down. We started going down right here in the 4 hour time, in the 15-minute here chart, but also in the bigger time frame, we're still, looking to move down, not up. So the DAX, guys, is going to move to be German 40 very soon. So basically, pay attention to this. And we have said this may go back up here. See, it did go back up here and start falling. So we're still only bearish, but from a higher price. And that's exactly what happened, guys. Okay, if you check the weekly forecast from last week, we said we expect A, B, C, D formation. So that was an A, B, then that's a C, D. Then we expect another one to the downside. It starts right here. So basically, wait if it go up a little bit, then we'll continue going down. The Dow is the same thing. We said we expect this to go touch the trend line. It just touched it. You guys, if you focus here, it just got to touch the cloud right here and bang, and it dropped. Okay, we expect this to drop all the way here to this level, which is 34,200, and actually further down to 33,700. Okay, guys. That was the end of our weekly forecast. If you would like to join our VIP signals, or would you like to join our trading systems, please visit fxmarketstrategy.com. Thank you and have a great day.